thank you everybody who's attended, come out to Belfast or has joined us online. I just wanted to close with a quick summary and some closing remarks here. So just to say, the slides and recordings will be made available online. So the slides are already on the R-HTA workshop GitHub under R-HTA workshop 2025. So you'll be able to see all the slides from today. They're already there. I think we're missing one or two. And the videos will be made available on YouTube. Please bear with us, that'll take a few days. I want to do a quick summary as well of some of the things we mentioned. So those of you that are here in person will have seen I've been quickly putting this together. So just for those that are kind of maybe new to R or new to some of these packages, it might be quite useful to give a quick overview, whistle-stop tour of what we talked about. So we've had discussions around how R is kind of the primary software choice for open source, and GitHub is the primary means by which people are collaborating and making those things open source. We've talked about the Open XLSX package a lot for reading in information from Excel at the start of the day, but then we also talked towards the end of the day about using it to read out information back into Excel for model creation in Excel. We talked about R Markdown and Quarto for writing reports. We talked about the R-HTA package for validation. We briefly talked about the HTTR package for querying APIs, and the Gen AI stuff, which is down here. So we've got the Open AI and the Gemini logos there. We had a great presentation on the Warden package that's been developed. The Office R package for Word and PowerPoint outputs. And as always, there's a discussion about Shiny. And BCEA and Darthback got a mention as well. And Nathan even managed to talk about dogs. So, yeah. You notice there's a nice R-related dogs thing there. Okay, so just to flag, if you are interested in training events, there are training events on the HTA website. There's a link there to various courses at Bristol and UCL and some really nice sounding ones in Florence. The next session will be on Monday, starting at 9 o'clock. Felicity's going to do the welcome on that. So please do join us there. That's online. Don't fly back to Bristol. It's Bristol? Belfast? No. You can go to Bristol and see Howard if you want. But yeah. Okay, so we are, I think, going to go for some photos outside, just at the front, just to get a photo of everybody before we leave. Yeah, this is AI generated. I'm not that artistic. And then finally, we're all going to walk to the pub. So yeah. So thank you very much, everyone online. If you do have any problems or questions, I don't know what happened with that. It doesn't like tidyverse for some reason. But yeah. So if you do have any questions and you're online, just put them in the chat quickly, and Felicity and I will work through them before we go to the pub. So we'll answer them very quickly. Otherwise, look forward to seeing you all on Monday.